In this video, we will see how to use unlimited VPN in Google Chrome extension. For that, first open the Google Chrome and go to Chrome website, Chrome Web Store. You can find here, or you can also find here in this here and scroll down. You can find here Chrome Web Store and search for Urban VPN. Add to Chrome, add extension. Wait for a moment to install. Now it is installed. Now in this extension you can pin the Urban VPN, pin here, and to connect the desired location, click the Urban VPN, agree the terms. Here you can select the locations which you like. It is unlimited and free. I will click Germany. Now look, the timer has started for connection in the Germany. Now I will see for the IP location. We are in the Düsseldorf. Now you can see we are in connected. If you want to change the location, simply hit it and pause. Now select another desired location. Now you are again connected. This is free. Let's see if the location has changed. Look, now we are in the London, England. By using this VPN, you can use geo-restricted website, but make sure do not use free VPN for your commercial or monetary transaction. It might not be safe. Thank you. This much for the VPN.